Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome, and if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. So by the title you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a wig that I bought from a company. It's called RuiYu HAIR. I'm going to insert the name in the video so you guys can actually see it, because I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But if you guys would like to see what the wigs look like, then continue watching. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang. And also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, because I know you guys are going to enjoy this video and I have a lot of new content coming soon. But this is what the package looked like when I got it in the mail. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do it for the video. And I'm just going to open it up. I think I actually might like the bags that they're in so far. Alright you guys, so I bought two wigs. This is my 14-inch bob wig straight. This is what the packaging looks like. And then this is my wig 14-inch curly. It's also in a pink package and it basically looks the same. So I'm going to start with my bob in 14 inches. And I'm getting this for a special occasion. I think you guys already know what that special occasion is. If so, drop it in the comment section down below what you think I'm buying this wig for. But when I opened the pink package, this is the bag that it came in. And this company is called RuiYu HAIR. Like I said, I'm going to put it in my description box down below. But yeah, so they gave me some straps, I guess, to sew onto the wig. They gave me a wig cap. And this is the wig. So let's see. I'm kind of nervous because I never actually got a wig like this before. And the sale that I bought from the actual company was a straight and curly wig, so I just figured I'd buy both. It comes with the lace right here, and it's a middle part, and in the inside it has, I believe, 3 straps. I want to say not 3 straps, but 3 clips, and then it has a strap right here. I don't know if I can actually use this to like tighten it or not, but when I get my hair installed, the hairstylist will help me. Like I said, I really hope this turns out right on me, because I don't want to waste my money. And I wanted to try something different because I did have long before, but I wanted to try short hair and see what it looks like on me. And then this is the second one. It basically looks just like the first one. I was waiting to get a business card from this company, but they don't even put a business card. So I don't really like that. I don't know if I'm going to shop there again, because usually when you shop from like a wig company, you would think they would give you a business card just so you can know like where it's from, and in case they have like any details, or if you want to return the wig, it can be easier to do your return. But the second wig, they provided me a strap for the wig and a wig cap. This one is actually different than the first one, and this might be my favorite one. This is the curly wig, and I never had curly hair either, especially since it's summer. Well, it's basically summer. I'm recording this. Today's June 6th, so it's basically almost summer. It kind of has a wiggy smell to it, I want to say. But I feel like once I wash it and the stylist styles and everything, it should be okay. And this is what it looks like up close with the texture. But yeah, I'm honestly really hoping that this looks right on me. I'm thinking about coloring it to have like an ombre color like my real hair, just because I don't know how it would look going straight to straight black without any lightener. So I'm gonna really think about if I want to color this wig or not. But I mean, it feels pretty good. It doesn't feel too tangly, and when I rub my fingers through it, it's no shedding, so that's a good thing. And I will definitely like wet this and put mousse on it, so hopefully that helps it like really come to life. And then it has lace to do the baby hairs, and then this one also has 3 clips, 1, 2, and 3. But yeah, so this is what this one looks like in the inside, and this one also has the middle part. I'm hoping that I can maybe do like a side part if I want to, but I don't know, because this one looks like this is the only way this wig comes. But yeah, you guys, that's all I want to show you all in this video. I wish they gave me a headband to possibly wear with this wig, but they didn't. They didn't even give me like any, like I said, they didn't even give me a business card. I'm not actually gonna downgrade this company yet. I want to see what it looks like on me first. And like I said, I'm thinking about coloring my hair just so that I can, just so it can look right. I don't want to go from like red ombre to black roots to a whole black wig. Put in the comment section down below what you guys think I should do. If I should color the wig, or if I should just leave it black and see what black hair looks like on me. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed yet and you made it to the end of this video, sis, click that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang. And also make sure to hit that post notification bell so you can get alerted every single time I post another video. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Faith Gang.